In this quick video, I'll show you how to make an entire column capital or lowercase in Excel. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I want to convert all of these letters into uppercase. So for that, what we need to do is we need to type here a formula on the next cell of our letters. So I'll simply type here a formula which starts with is equal to, then type here upper if you want to convert your text to uppercase. But if you want to convert your text to lowercase, then type here lower. I want to convert my text to uppercase. So for that, I'll type here upper, then add a bracket here. And now we need to provide our cell number. My cell number is this, which is A1. So for that, I'll simply type here A1, then complete your bracket and hit enter on your keyboard. As you can see, my notebooks are now converted to uppercase, but I want to convert all of these letters. So for that, go to the bottom of your cell and you will notice that your cursor has been changed to this plus icon. We just need to drag our cell until our last letter and then all of our letters will be converted to uppercase, but it has created a second column of my letters. So to get rid of it, we just need to copy all of our uppercase letters by simply dragging on it. Then press Ctrl C to copy all of these letters and now select your original column and now right click on your first column, then click on paste special and now here choose values and then hit OK, and there you go. I have converted my lowercase to uppercase. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.